In today's video, we're going to review the swimming pools and the beach of the Vikingen Resort and Spa near Alanya in Turkiler, Turkey. Let's start the video. Alright, so now is some time for some swimming. All the pools can be accessed in -1 floor. 0 is for the lobby and the main entrance. So we go to -1. That's the place for the spa. That's the main restaurant. And here you go outside. You cannot just go from the lobby. These stairs, I don't know, go somewhere, but you cannot come from the main balcony. You need to come to -1 to go to all of the pools, the infinity pools, etc. So this is the main balcony, which can be accessed from the main lobby. And here are all the pools. So from the front, the hotel just looks like a big U. And that's the first infinity pool. So let me give you an overview. So that's the infinity pool, which is not heated. Over there, you have one kid's pool, which I'll show you, another pool afterwards. And then you've got 2-3 pools over there, which are called jacuzzi pools. Let me just show you. It's supposed to be a jacuzzi pool, infinity pool. Jacuzzi pool with no jacuzzi. No jacuzzi, buddy. None of them are heated, and there's no indoor pool during summertime. They're saying the indoor pool is only open when it's really bad weather, or from November to April. And the resort itself closes from mid of November, so just take it from a grain of salt. We came here for the jacuzzi pool or the heated pool. Both of them are not working. So that's a big no from our side. So again, this was the main infinity pool. And this is the jacuzzi pool. Maybe I would need to put some music here. So you've got there, and then over there, you got one pool here for the kids, and another pool here. So I think on this side near the hotel, you have around 5-ish pools. I'll be showing you the acro rides as well, all the slides. Let me just get wet now. So to cross the road, you don't have a tunnel, which is a good thing. And you can walk on this overhead bridge to go to the other side of the Vikingen Resort and Spa. I'm just gonna call it Vikingen because the name is too long. In any case, so right there, we have a lift. So this is a good thing. This resort is really made for people who are with kids or disability. So it's very easy to move around. Okay, so to continue on the swimming pools, when you come from the overhead bridge, you have another kids swimming pool here, right next to the chicken corner, and you've got the Acura rides, which I'll show you in a second. Over here you have the wharf, the pier, and the beach as well, which I will also show in the end of this swimming pool video. Right, so from the other side, which is the right side of the bridge, you've got the Acura rides here, and you've got the beach. It's all stone here, which I'll just show you in a second. People are relaxing. So that's the wharf, which I'll show you in the end, and the nice beach as well right here. There's some nice places, just be careful. Places here to take some photos, but just be careful. But the major aqua rides or the slides are here. I'll find out the timing and I'll put the timing here as well afterwards. But that's the other side of the bridge. So of course we saw the swimming pools over there and a couple of them there. There's one here, and I'll show you another one which is after this snack bar or the snack pool bar, or I don't know what I call it. Another restaurant here. And yeah, you got some paid kids area as well where you can waste some money with the kids. I've grown up, oh my God, my hair is a mess. I've grown up, but do spend some money from time to time. Be a kid, or at least if you are with your kids, try to enjoy. I'm just going to ask for the timings. But I guess during daytime it's open. Doesn't say the timing here. Let me ask for the timings. Okay, brother, the pool is open from 9 to 6?
Yeah.
The slides, what time? Open? Oh, it's there, the timing. Thank you.
Okay.
From 10 to 12 and then from 2 to 5. Okay, thank you. Okay, wow, that was a splash. So the pool is open from 10 to 12 and then from 2 to 5. Keep that in mind, of course, that if the weather's bad or if it's dangerous, they can shut it down. But overall, the slides looks nice. Today I'm already tired, but I'll take the slide and also show you afterwards. So now we're going to the big slides. Slides, baby, slides, slides.
Белые, половину чуть-чуть снова поехал. Белый мальчик был раньше. Видите, это белый? Мить, давай ты хотишь, если я играла. Ты меня там хочешь? Ваня, ты меня ждешь?
Someone else.
Вот, блин, у вас совершенно придется, не
А это немного писал, да все.
Let me show you the other kids pool and the aqua slide or whatever on this side, on the left side of the hotel. And I'll also show you the bad beach, the beach to avoid. On this side, there's a lot of stones. Let me show you. So be careful and just go on that side. Avoid this one. So now I'm on the other side. I was there, I walked all the way here, and now we've got the kids pool. This is the place where the kids like to spend most of their time. It's a lot of fun. You've got slides and everything, and it's kids friendly. Over there you also have some kid areas, but you don't have the slides like this, so you've got the kid slides. Over here, let's go to the other pool on this side, which will conclude at least the pools. And then I will show you the beaches here as well. All right. And that's the other side. We've got another adult pool here, right next to the beach. So just like any other Turkish resort, during the daytime, try to come near the beach. This is where all the fun is mostly. So that's another full swimming pool for adults. And again, as already mentioned, there is no heated pool. I've asked them already. I told them, hey, what if someone doesn't like the water, would like to have a heated pool? They say, no, the pool temperature is fine, blah, blah, blah. But they do mention there's a heated pool and there's no indoor pool as well. So that's also another thing. Indoor pool, they're saying, oh, when the weather is bad, you know, we do it, but it was raining and they didn't open it. Nevertheless, on the left side, you have a beach like this. The water is fine. It's very clear, but you've got a lot of rocks on this beach. And I've got like big ones. Big rocks. I mean, there's a girl there, you can't see probably, who's just making a castle out of rocks. So you can imagine how many rocks there are. This one. These are all the big rocks here. In any case, so that's the beach on the left side. I mean, you can come here, but I would avoid. Let me show you the beach which I recommend going when you're in Vikingen. Let me clean my feet. All right, let's go to the other side where the wharf is. Oh yeah, before going to the wharf, you also have a kids playing area here, which looks pretty nice. Near the beach. It's a sand castle. So on the left side you can also play here with your kids. But I would avoid this side. Let's go to the right side where the wharf is and the nicer beach. We'll close the video there. All right, so after coming to the tunnel, instead of going left where the food is, you can just come right here where it says Viking in Infinity. I've been here for 4 or 5 days, and that's the main reason I do this kind of videos. Stay for long so I can give a detailed review. That's the sign. From here, go down, and for sure this is the nicer beach because you got no rocks. And you can play. As you can see, everyone is enjoying, kids are playing and whatnot. So the sand is nice. Here it's bad sand, but there it's a little bit good sand. And right after you have small rocks, but those are tolerable. On that side where we were before, there are very big rocks. So here you have family time, and that's the wharf. And on the other side, you also have another place you can go. And if you're with someone else, you can go there. Here you can come with your family. So let me show you that side and also the wharf. And we'll close this video for the swimming pools. It's getting hot, man. So as mentioned, this is the beach. You can come with your partner. Over there, it was all kids. Here, it's less people. Kind of dangerous, but less people. Again, nicer beach. So on both sides of the wharf, they have removed the rocks. Seems like it. The water is crystal clear and also warm. So for you, if the pool is more cold, I highly recommend the beach. And this is the wharf which you see from the top. Something like Poseidon or someone else will have in their hand. I don't know. I just read on their website. I don't know what's this called. A fork, a trishul, as they say in other languages. But you have this left side, got the right side. So if you want some sunbathing action, you can always come here. So that was a detailed review of the swimming pools here. People are relaxing, enjoying. We're not going to disturb them too much. You're not supposed to dive from here, but you can definitely go there from this side. All right, so let's stop or end this video about the swimming pools and the beach. And if you want to see more videos about Vikingen, my God, you can click here or here or here, whatever, where I will be showing you more things about the resort when it comes to food, when it comes to rooms, when it comes to tips and tricks, when it comes to a walking tour. See you in the next video. This is Azim, your Desi travel guide. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the video. See you in the next one. Peace. So right now we are in Alanya, baby. Oh yeah!